This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T14 Gen 3. First, just the power adapter. It's the 65 watt USB-C. Come in an envelope. Instead of paper, just the startup papers. And we'll just go over the ports. There's a full-size Ethernet, 2 USB-C, a full-size HDMI, a regular USB 3, combo audio port. There's nothing on the front. This is the smart card reader option, fan slot, another full-size USB 3, Kensington lock. On the back, that's where you'd have the SIM card slot option. On the bottom, this one has the newer, it opens more like the S series, so there's not the snaps like from here. It's a lot easier to open. You can see that in another video. The reset holes over there. Open it up. So it's got the dual mics and the webcam at the top. So finally, a lot of the options, not all of them, but a lot of the models have 1080p camera. The screen is a lot longer, so it's a 1200 rather than 1080. I'm going on the side. The fingerprint reader is up there, and the same keyboard and touchpad that everyone's used to. And that's it.